Hey guys, I'm Lanoshka. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm taking you to this very beautiful location within Goa. So stay tuned to find out all the details. Yours and my thoughts exactly. I mean, I've seen hairy caterpillars before, but this is something else. So first off, seeing this itself, you'll know that this place is nestled within nature. And in this video, I'm gonna be not showing you just a quick tour of the place, but I'll also be telling you about the prices, the accommodation and the meals included. So in order to best use the information, make sure you watch till the end of this video. I couldn't help but record this little guy who joined us, and before starting and getting into the video, I'd like to say please take care of your nature and surroundings wherever you travel. Please make sure not to litter the place. Whether you're from the area or just visiting, please know that Mother Earth is ours to take care of for our future. So we handed this guy over back to nature in his natural habitat, and he was searching for the bark of the tree, and that's where we put him, and we just enjoyed him, watching him in his natural habitat. So let's begin the tour of this amazing, beautiful place nestled within nature. SRK's Bagh Along Resort and Spice Farm is located in Tisk, Ponda, Goa. What you'll be seeing on the left hand side is part of the Khandepar caves dating back to the 11th, 12th century AD, and I'll be showing you that along once we get inside. We went here for a picnic and hence organized a bus to go together from Margao. It's located at 23 kilometers from Margao, and it took us around 35 minutes to get here. You can also use the Google Maps to get here directly. Once you enter the property, you'll have to walk down through the pathway and you'll immediately notice these huge swimming pools and an area which I saw for rain dance. There's also a little playground area for the kids to play around with. So the rates here for an adult would be rupees 350 to begin in the morning and end in the evening. That's without any meals, and you are free to get your own meals if you decide to do so. However, if you want meals like lunch at the venue itself, you'll have to pay a total of rupees 550. If you want breakfast included, it comes to around 650 rupees. In addition, if you want some tea, that will be additional charges that you can have at the restaurant itself located within the property. So this is the walk-through area and where it leads us to this beautiful lake and this very nice seating area. And I also noticed that there was a group of people having their birthday party celebrated here. It has ample of space to organize games, ample of space to have your own social bubbles. Right next to the banquet hall, restaurant and bar, they also have this floored area and a place like a stage that you could have music supposedly. This is the washroom area and a room that we were assigned to keep our luggage, but this is, I don't think it's for stay, so it was only to keep the luggage. This absolutely had to be my favorite area of the property. It has these 4 levels of seating area where you can sit comfortably and take in all of nature, the chirping of the birds, the picturesque beauty, natural beauty surrounding us, the Khandepar river that flows through. This also makes for a great place to take your pictures, your Instagrammable pictures, and like I mentioned earlier, please be mindful to take care of your surroundings and our waterways. This makes for a great place for picnics or gatherings, or even like I witnessed a beautiful birthday celebration along with your friends nestled within nature. If you'd like to enjoy this further, you can also book your stay over here. They had these beautiful 12 wooden cottages, as I'm told, and this is the beautiful view you'll wake up to in the morning with the birds chirping. It's absolutely lovely. The cost of the room is 2,500. That's bed and breakfast. If you want any other meals to be included, of course it would be additional charges. So the room also has your own swimming pool and an adjacent restaurant nearby, besides the 2 other pools that we saw earlier. As promised earlier, I'm taking you back to that door which is a portal to the Khandepar caves. So these 4 monolithic laterite Khandepar caves are located obviously on the banks of river Khandepar, and scholars can date them back to 11th or 12th century AD. We asked the people at the reception area and they said that there's no extra charge, so we could just open the door and walk to this beautiful area and see the caves. So there's a raised courtyard in front of the caves, and they contain these 3 water storing cisterns just in front of the caves. And this is a quick walk through the cave. So they have 2 rooms each, 2 cells each, and while the outside seems very simple, the ceiling has this very beautiful lotus kind of carving on the top. The 4 caves are situated in close vicinity, with the first and second one being almost linked. The third is just at a distance of 1 meter, and the fourth is opposite the first cave. The 4th cave was probably used for meditation and prayers. All in all, we had a wonderful day along with nature and history embedded within it. They also have some boating activities directly from the Khandepar river, and they take you around, but we didn't avail of that, so you can ask them directly. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a big fat thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you as always.